Welcome to my Angel Juicer comparison. All three Angel Juicers deliver the same foundational benefits: unparalleled juice extraction, supreme nutrient retention, and the ability to handle the widest variety of ingredients with ease. The differences come down to automation and materials. The AG 5500 is perfect for those who want a straightforward, manual experience and don't mind occasional intervention with tougher produce. The AG 7500 adds a layer of convenience with its auto reverse function, making it ideal for users who value ease of use or who juice a particularly diverse range of ingredients. The AG 8500, with its surgical-grade stainless steel, is the choice for those who want the very best in material quality and long-term durability, especially for regular juicing of salt-rich or highly acidic produce. No matter which model you choose, Angel Juicers are designed to transform the act of juicing into a daily ritual of nourishment and enjoyment, creating juices that are not only delicious and vibrant, but also packed with the very best that nature has to offer. Just make sure to check the description box below for links to the lowest price on each Angel Juicer, including our exclusive coupon code. The AG 5500 is the purest expression of Angel Juicer's philosophy. Made entirely from SUS 304 food-grade stainless steel, it is both robust and elegant. Its twin gear system delivers a formidable 3-horsepower grinding force, ensuring even the toughest produce is efficiently processed. The 3-stage screen housing system works in tandem with the gears to maximize yield and nutrient retention, while the slow 82 revolutions per minute operation keeps oxidation to an absolute minimum. The AG 5500 is ideal if you appreciate a hands-on approach and are looking for uncompromising juice quality with straightforward manual operation. Its design is intuitive and it disassembles in 3 simple steps for easy cleaning. For those who value the ritual of juicing and want to experience Angel's legendary extraction performance in its most direct form, the AG 5500 is a compelling choice. Building on the strengths of the AG 5500, the AG 7500 introduces thoughtful automation designed to make juicing even more accessible and stress-free. The standout feature is the anti-jamming auto reverse function. When the machine detects a blockage, common when juicing fibrous greens or roots, it automatically reverses the gears to clear the jam, allowing you to continue juicing without interruption or manual intervention. This makes the AG 7500 especially attractive to those new to slow juicing or anyone who values a smoother, more forgiving experience. The AG 7500 retains the full SUS 304 stainless steel construction, the same powerful twin gears, and the meticulous 3-stage extraction system as the AG 5500. It represents an ideal balance of hands-on control and user-friendly automation, making it a favorite among busy households and those who juice a wide variety of ingredients. The AG 8500 is the flagship of the Angel Juicer lineup, distinguished by its use of SUS 316 surgical-grade stainless steel in the twin gears, housing filter, and splash guard. This upgrade is particularly significant if you frequently juice ingredients high in salt or chloride, such as celery or certain herbs, as SUS 316 offers superior resistance to corrosion and chemical attack. Like the AG 7500, the AG 8500 features the anti-jamming auto reverse function, ensuring a seamless and reliable juicing process. All the core Angel technologies are present: slow twin gear extraction, 3-stage filtering, and robust all-metal construction. For those who demand the highest standard of purity, durability, and long-term performance, especially when juicing challenging produce on a daily basis, the AG 8500 is the ultimate choice and the best Angel Juicer overall. Angel Juicers occupy a unique place in the world of home juicing, renowned for their commitment to extracting the purest, most nutrient-rich juice possible. At the core of every Angel Juicer is a meticulously engineered twin gear system, crafted from high-grade stainless steel, and operating at a slow, deliberate 82 revolutions per minute. This low-speed cold press process is fundamental to preserving the delicate enzymes, vitamins, and phytonutrients found in fresh produce. Unlike high-speed centrifugal juicers, which can generate heat and oxidation that degrade juice quality, Angel's method ensures that the resulting liquid is vibrant, full-bodied, and exceptionally fresh, with a noticeably longer shelf life in the refrigerator. As any Angel juicer reviews will tell you, one of the defining strengths of Angel juicers is their versatility. These machines excel not only with common fruits and vegetables, but also with ingredients that challenge lesser juicers: wheatgrass, leafy greens, fibrous roots like ginger, and even herbs. The Twin Gear's powerful pressing action, combined with a 3-stage extraction screen, means that every drop of juice is wrung from the pulp, resulting in a yield that is among the highest in the industry. The pulp that emerges is remarkably dry, a testament to just how thorough the extraction process is. This efficiency translates into real savings over time, especially for those who regularly juice organic or premium produce. Angel juicers are also celebrated for their durability and ease of cleaning. The all-stainless construction is not only visually stunning, but also ensures that no plastic or reactive materials ever come into contact with your juice. This is especially important for those who are health conscious or sensitive to chemical leaching. Cleaning is straightforward. The juicer disassembles into a handful of parts, all of which are dishwasher safe, making post-juicing maintenance quick and hassle-free. Beyond juice, Angel juicers open up a world of culinary possibilities. With the right accessories, they can be used to make nut butters, plant-based milks, tofu, and even frozen fruit sorbets. This versatility makes them a central tool in the kitchens of those pursuing plant-based, raw, or whole food diets. And with that said, I hope that my Angel juicer comparison helped you to pick the best Angel juicer for you. You'll find links to the lowest price for each Angel juicer in the description box below, as well as our exclusive coupon code.